It is time now for your morning RBI, and today's most random but interesting nugget has to do with two huge topics right now, real estate and energy, because they are related, probably a lot more than you think. Here's why. The U.S. Census Bureau just updated the latest data on pandemic moving trends, where people went from July of 2020 to July of last year, and the areas with the biggest jumps in population. See if you can spot a common theme, and I know you can. The metro area with the biggest increase in population was Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas, adding about 97,000 people over COVID's first year. That is followed by Phoenix, Houston, and Austin. Another Texas city, San Antonio, also made the list, with one city in California, Riverside, as well as Georgia, Florida, and North Carolina cities also making the most moved to list. So what does that have to do with energy? Well, probably a lot. Longer term in particular, because most of these metro areas are, you guessed it, really hot in the summer. The kind of places where you're going to crank the air conditioning all day long. In fact, probably all 10 of these places have the windows closed and the AC blasting 3 to 6 months a year. And that is going to use, my friends, a lot of electricity. In fact, air conditioners use about 6% of all the electricity produced in America. So with everybody moving to areas where you crank the cooling all the time, what do you think is going to happen to energy demand in this country? It is going to go up, up, up as you turn that thermostat down. So as we argue with each other about what kinds of power we're going to use to make electricity, whether it's solar, wind, natural gas, nuclear, whatever, the correct answer is yes, all the above. We're going to need it all, especially if everybody keeps moving to where it's hot. You better start cranking up production of solar panels about as fast as we are cranking the air conditioning. Random but interesting.